for joining us.
Oh, no problem. You're welcome.
I'll make it very, very fast so that I won't take much of your time.
Okay, no problem. Yeah.
The first question I have here is, what is it like to play for us?
Pardon?
What is it like to play for Kotoko? What is it like?
Oh, it's very cool, and every Ghanaian player wants to play a big club like Asante Kotoko, actually, and it's a very pleasure to play for a big club like Asante Kotoko at this age, and actually, it contains much pressure, but if you can maintain the pressure and play, you can go to everywhere, or you can play everywhere in the world. So,
all right. My next question is, do you think you have a future at Kotoko because of the current competition at the goalkeeper position? Do you think you have a future at Kotoko?
very, 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 very much future, because I'm very young. I'm now 17, and I have more years ahead. And actually, as a young player, it's even an advantage for me for joining the club in this early age, so that I can study everything in the club, maybe what the club wants, what they need, anything. So the time I'll become number one, I think I'll be marvelous, and I can do big things for Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Okay, boss. My next question. Would you fancy a move outside the country if you have the chance? Will you go outside the country if you have a chance?
Sure, because it's a plus. It's a plus, and it's easy to get a club outside Africa or outside Ghana, because when every agent or every team get to know that you play for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, that means you are a very professional, and also you're a very great player. And it's not even only me, my aim, but I think it will be my management team that's for Kumasi Asante Kotoko too. It will be their aim for me to get the opportunity. Yes. So that they can also know that, it's because of us that Danlad also travel to Europe outside Ghana. So I'll just, if the deal is good for me, not any deal, because as a player you have to know that where you are going, it will help you, it will help your future before you move. If the deal comes and it's good for me, and I think I can leave here.
All right. So how would you describe your time at the Chelsea?
Oh, it was a very great time, because actually I haven't get more playing time in the Kumasi Asante Kotoko, especially Premier League matches. And since I joined the Chelsea, I've been playing all the games except only one. So I just played 14 matches and continuously through. But when I was at Asante Kotoko, I didn't get that opportunity. But as for the Chelsea, they have given me the great platform, and I also I tried my possible best to also prove to them that I'm a good goalkeeper, and if I get the chance at Kumasi Asante Kotoko, I will do more. So it was a very great, and the atmosphere, the supporters, everything, they were all behind me, and I was from the great club. So as for those things, I don't have any problem about that.
All right. So who is the toughest striker you have played against?
In this Premier League, or all my lifetime?
All your life.
So far, actually, let me. One guy from Elimina Sharks. I think Boatin is a very good player. And, I think we lost against Sharks by 3-0, and that very day the guy was super. The guy was very super, and like he know how to move. Like the movement without the ball was so great. And as for that guy, is very serious. So the next time I meet him again, I'll know how to
How?
handle him personally, because I think he's the first guy, or he's the first player to score me 3 goals in my career. So actually, he did very well. Yeah.
All right. So the current situation in the country, the coronavirus, how is it affecting you? Is it affecting the training and everything?
Oh yeah, yeah. Because we have the difference between team training and personal training. Actually,
Mm-hmm.
sometimes personal training is not that much serious, because you won't get that push from anyone or from your instructor. But
Okay.
as a team training, actually you get, and at the same time you get competition with other players, or other
Okay.
your department, either goalkeeping department or defending. You get that competition, and that makes you very very good too. And we are now home, and football is our work now, and we don't have anything to do apart from football. We don't have any work to do apart from football. So we've been home, always indoors. You don't go anywhere. Maybe in the evening you just go in for some light training. And actually, we all I think all the footballers in the nation don't actually don't like that,
Yeah.
or we are not happy about this situation because of what is going on. And we are hoping and praying that by next 2 months, we will come back on the pitch.
All right. So there are a lot of people saying that the Ghana Premier League should be cancelled this season. So what are your thoughts?
Actually, I always say, uh, you know, as for the management team or the team owners, they are the only person who can, or they are the only people who can just say we should continue or not,
Mm-hmm.
because they know their way to get money to just invest in football. So, as for me, Danlad, I can tell chairman, or I can tell the nation, oh, I hope we should continue the league. Maybe my team chairman won't get any source of income to just pay
Mm-hmm.
me, and if
True.
I don't
True.
get money to, I can't play, or I can't just give my best. So I think I'll just hand that question over to the team owners, because they are the only people who can just answer those questions, because we don't have any we as for we it's our job that when they call us, hey bro, we are starting training today, you have to be there. So we just hoping anything, any answer that will come, you just go after it.
Go with.
Yeah.
All right. So when you were at Kotoko, which player would you say he works very hard every time he's training? He's working very hard.
Okay, I have three good players. They don't joke with
Okay.
their training. And
Thank
one is Felix Annan, and
you.
secondly, Osei Kwame. Osei
Mm-hmm.
Kwame, our goalkeeper, and the last person too is Wahab Adams. Actually, he won't give any way, Charlie. We just give you that aggressiveness. We just see you don't know this training or this match, because, and as for Osei Kwame and Felix and I, we don't get the playing time. So actually, we say the training is our match. So we have
Mm-hmm.
to prove to the supporters, because sometimes when we are training at Kotoko, we have many supporters who just come there and watch. So we have to prove to them that although we are not playing, that we are very good. So as for these three guys, they are very serious.
So which player would you say is the funniest at Kotoko when you were at the team, around the team? The person that is funniest.
As for the funniest, I'm number one. I was the number one over there. And secondly, I am Augustine Sifa. We are the guys who always, we just cause troubles over there, and we make the guys feel that they are home, feel like they are home. So actually, I would say Sifa and I. So we are the funniest guys in Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
All right. So when Kotoko lose a game, like for example, Kotoko loses a game and you guys go back to junior dressing room, who is the person that lifts your morale high? Who talks to you people and tell you people that you shouldn't give up, you should keep your heads up? Who is the person that brings up the mood whenever you lose a game?
Felix Anan. As for that, is Felix Anan. Either maybe if we are down by a goal and we come for the first half, he's the one who just, guys, come on, it's not yet done. Like it's not yet over. We have to back up because we know we can win this game. And maybe after the game when we lost, we just say it's part of the game because even the European teams, a big top flight teams, Chelsea and stuff, they lose. So we should go back and we should go and prepare because this club is not easy. Any team that will just come and play against you, they just even when they train only once, always when they are coming to face Kumasi Asante Kotoko, they will try to train twice. So it's not easy playing for Kumasi Asante Kotoko because every match is tough. It's a tough game. So you are as a player in Kotoko, you have to get that mental toughness and also the confidence and the courage to play. Either it goes well for you or not. You have to try your possible best that the next game you will improve. Each day, each match, you have to improve. Yeah.
All right. Which player would you say likes music? That he plays good music in the training room or in the dressing room or anywhere you guys are? Who likes to listen to music all the time?
Habib Mohammed. Surani, Shatawale, he won't let us sleep. Always Shatawale, Shatawale. Always, you will play all Shatawale songs and be making noise. As for that guy, I will beat him.
So, anytime you guys have a match outside the country, how do you guys prepare before making your trip?
Actually, sometimes the management team will come to the technical people and tell them maybe the arrangement for the week. So and the team manager too will let us know maybe the schedule. You will be leaving this day. So when we go, we will train like this. So when you get all these schedules, then you too as a player, you have to just know the kids that you send, the like everything, and secondly to as for the management team, they are doing a very great job because as for food, water and stuff, they always provide us. So there is no need to just go and buy many things except maybe your drinks, your food drinks or your energy drinks that you will just buy on your own. Apart from that, it's the only kids that you just take. So as for the preparation, the management team always do everything for the players.
Okay. Which current player in the Ghana Premier League would you like to see play for Asante Kotoko? Which player would you like to see play for Asante Kotoko?
Okay. So far, we played against Ashgood and Ashgood players they were all very good, and I wish Anabila, when Anabila joined, I think it will help the team and also Akamenko when Akamenko to just join Kumasasa because so that we will just get many like the midfield will be very solid and when someone just gets injured we won't get any problem over there. So when we get Anabila and also Akamenko, I think to help the team.
All right. So, what are your thoughts on the current Kotoko team? What do you think about the current team?
They are good. They are good, and I always say, as for Kotoko, every player who will get the opportunity to come to Kotoko, that means he know how to play, and also he have everything in football. So now I think they have good strikers, good midfielders, good goalkeepers as well because you can see the competition over there, and
Yeah.
the team is very solid. And one thing we have to know that football is like every season we have a team who will improve. So maybe this year was Brekum Chase who was just making some surprises. Maybe the next
Okay.
season it will be another team. That makes
Yes.
Kotoko a great club. Either we are not getting a good season or not, we are always at the first 4 or first 5, because either is good or
Exactly.
not, we have to try our possible best to maintain that position over there. So they
Exactly.
are all the guys over there. They are very super, and I will just pray that they will just get the favor of the Lord, so that the Lord will help them, because football also goes with luck. So when the team gets
Yeah.
good luck, I think we will conquer even Africa. Yeah.
All right. All right. I think I will end here. Maybe some other time we'll do this again.
No problem. I'm
Thank
always there
thank
for
you
you,
very
bro.
thank you very much for
Yeah.
your time.
You're welcome, bro. You're welcome.
Have a good night
Thank you.
rest.
Thank you, bro.